Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to change LCD for Samsung A23.
Okay, this is the phone. Okay, the first thing you have to do, you have to put at the heat machine. At least you can heat the back cover for at least for 10 to 15 minutes so that the glue will become weak and you can open it easily. Okay, as for my own, I already heat it, so I just need to open it. So you just put the pencil like this right round and just put it inside right round like this. Be careful. Okay, you try to open it. Okay, you open the back cover, you do it slowly and you open it. Okay, put that aside. Now you need to take out all the screw at the back of the phone. Okay, there are so many screw you need to take out. Make sure you take out all the screw. So many screws at the back of the phone. Make sure you take out the screws, all the screws. Okay, after you take out all the screws at the back of the phone, you disconnect the power switch, the power switch and the home key. This one you have to disconnect it because it's on the casing. Okay, now you need to remove the SIM tray. Remove the SIM tray, put one side. Okay, then you open it. You can use the pencils. You just open it from where you remove the SIM card. Just open it right round. Be careful. Okay, you take out the back, you put it one side. Okay, then now you need to disconnect the battery. Okay, and disconnect the LCD. Okay, now you need to put at the heat machine again at least for 10 to 15 so that the glue become weak. Then you remove the LCD. So after you heat it for 10 to 15 minutes, now you need to take out the LCD. Okay, you disconnect this one because the LCD cable, you have two cables. The one connect to the charging system and the other one connect to the motherboard. So you disconnect this one to the charging system. Okay, so you take out the LCD. Just do it slowly, be careful. Just open it right round. Okay, open it, remove the glue. The glue already weak. Okay, so you disconnect the cable inside like this. You see, you pull it. Okay, now you need to clean all the glue right around the phone. Make sure you clean it properly. So many glue. Okay, make sure you remove all the glue right around the phone so that the new glue will fix properly and the LCD will fix very nice. After you clean it right around, now you need to apply the glue. Okay, you make sure you put the glue right around the phone and be careful for the front camera. Don't put on top of the front camera. Okay, and don't put on top of the sensor. Just put close to it, close to the camera. Okay, don't put on top of the camera so that the camera will not become dark. Okay, just put close to the camera and make sure you put it on the phone right round. Okay, be careful, don't mess up the phone. Put it right round. After you put the glue right round, okay, now it's time to fix the new LCD. You make sure you take out this plastic in front of the front camera. Okay, then you remove the glue, the sticker, this one, the warranty sticker. You make sure you take it out so that the screen will rest properly. Okay, you open it like this a bit. Okay, so the screen will rest very good. Okay, now you need to pass this cable. It's two cables. The one goes to the motherboard and the other one goes to the charging system. You make sure you pass all the right place. Okay, the big one is the first one. It comes here. Okay, and the small one, make sure you pass through this side, the other side down there, the other hole. You see the other entrance. Make sure you pass it there. okay, because this one goes to the charging system. Okay, then from there you put the LCD straight like this. Make sure you fix it straight. Okay, then you turn the phone like this. Make sure you fix the connector down here, the one to the charging system. You connect it perfectly like this. Okay, then the one to the motherboard, you connect it also. Make sure the battery is disconnected always. Okay, then you connect this one on top to the motherboard side. Make sure you connect it properly. Okay, then you connect now you can connect the battery. Okay, after you connect the battery, now you need to put the back cover. Okay, fix the back cover very nice. Make sure you close properly before you put all the screw. Okay, close it properly. Okay, now you fix the fingerprint and the power button is the same place. You connect it. Okay, now you put all the screw at the back of the phone. There is so many screw, you have to put all the screw. You make sure you put all the screw at the back of the phone. After you finish put all the screw at the back of the phone, now you need to put the glue at the back of the phone, then put the back cover. Okay, you be careful for this the screw at the back. Don't put the glue on top of the screw, just put it right on the phone like this. Okay, don't put it on top of the screw. Okay, just put it right on the phone like this, close to the screw. Then you fix the back cover. Make sure you fix it straight. Okay. You put the SIM tray. Then you have to use this rubber. Why you use this rubber? So that the glue will fix properly, the back cover will fix properly, the glue will get dry, because the glue takes time to get dry. If you leave it like that, the cover will open again. So you have to find something like this or anything to hold it for the meantime, at least for 30 minutes. So that the cover will rest properly and the glue become dry. At least for 10 to 20 minutes, the glue become dry, then you can take it out back. Okay, now you need to on the phone and see. Okay, now the phone is on. It's okay.
Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.